Hi, meteorologist Pete Mangione. Here is the late night track for Isaias, and you can see the storm really hasn't changed all that much when it comes to southern New England. Now, it likely will make a landfall in North or South Carolina and then stay on land or maybe hover just over the coast before going into southern New England. Now, that's a good thing if it travels over land for our area because that interaction will probably weaken the storm, but it still comes through as a tropical storm, even though it's a weaker tropical storm. At least that's the current track. And in that situation, we could still get wind, rain, and obviously rip currents will be a factor really no matter where the storm goes. So we are talking about 1 to 2 inches of rain. That's the current track, but if it tracks a little closer, potentially some higher amounts. Certainly flash flooding is possible. For wind, could see some gusts between 30 and 50 miles an hour. Outages are possible. If it tracks closer, we'd have more widespread outages with a lot of downed trees. If it tracks further away, then we'd have minimal effects, maybe just isolated outages. So right now, just prepare for the potential of some isolated to maybe scattered outages. The good news is the big punch of wind that we're expecting or that is possible doesn't really come, I think, until late Tuesday and Wednesday morning. It doesn't last very long. This will be a pretty fast-moving storm. And, of course, there will be impacts over the ocean, high seas, rip currents, and there will be a potential of some minor storm surge and minor coastal flooding as well. We'll keep you posted on all of this throughout the weekend. And don't forget to charge up your devices. Definitely have fresh batteries on hand for flashlights in case the power goes out. We're not saying it will for sure, but just in case, have all those supplies on hand. And of course, you can always watch our streaming newscasts at WPRI.com.